guys, gals? What's good? What is good? Let's go. How you doing? How are you doing? Viewers, subscribers, lurkers, twerkers, chatters, appreciate you being here. Appreciate you hitting that play button. Let's go. Man, you're awesome. Turn that up. Turn it up. Yes, I'm excited. I know. Because you're here. You're watching. You're listening. Yes. Oh, this is going to be a good stream. Oh, yeah. It's going to be good. It is going to be good. I just want to check the stream, guys. Drop some more things. Some more thingsies into chat. Make sure that you guys can hear me. Just want to drop some more things. Goodness gracious. How does the mouse get stuck to the... How does it do that? So I go to click the volume to turn it up, and the mouse cursor gets literally stuck and attached to the scroll volume button. Some kind of feature, I guess, with YouTube. Let's go. It's kind of annoying, to be honest. Moving my mouse around. Yeah, anyways, yeah. Let's go! Yeah, the other thing that kind of bothers me is I'm playing Atmospheric Space Wave, okay? And I literally have it on loop, okay? I'll show you guys, okay? Just so you can see the music that I'm playing, alright? Stop doing that, there, okay? So I'll right click, see? Looped, okay? Just so you guys know, alright? So we'll wait a little bit and we'll see what's up, okay? If things change magically. I don't know how this happens magically in the background because I'm the user. When the user clicks things in the GUI, that's when the magic happens and things get changed. Not automatically. That's not normal. I don't know if... Can you, like, Can channels force a change so that you listen to their other music content? I don't know. I don't know. I'm just making games over here, guys. Let's go! I do love the vibes. I did need to change it up though. So thank you, White Bat Audio, for the vibes. I play it because it's commercial free. That's what I like about it. Okay? If you guys on YouTube Music want people to play your content, yeah, well, for this guy anyways, you don't want commercials jumping in. You just don't, okay? I know that's how you make the money, okay? I need to see the money too, okay? Show me the money! You can only eat so many bolognas and wieners in life, okay? Before you get sick and tired of that, alright? Soon it's going to be dirt and sand, okay? Dirt and sand for supper. Okay, I'm a bit going on a tangent, but thank you for hitting the play button. The great thing about YouTube, guys, guess what? You can skip forward. That's amazing. Yeah, it works. That's if you want to get right into the content. Again, I'll put some, like, in comments, I'll put little, I don't know, what do you call them? Timestamps? Yeah, that's the word, timestamps. In there for you guys if you want to kind of skip and go straight to certain sections. You know? Some of you are also here for the laughs and the enjoyment and the chat. I like to chat with you guys a little bit. How you guys doing? Hope your day is going well. It's good to be back. I've been busy, guys. I've been busy grinding. Okay, I'm not slacking over here. Okay, working. I don't know, 12, 14-hour days, living off bologna and wieners. Woo! Life is good. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. Unity and bologna and wieners. Life is good. I'm telling you, it's good. I'm excited. You guys, gals, stay tuned. I know I'm going to try to put up more content. Thank you, Tech Dave, for the little nudge. Appreciate you, my guy. Supporter of the channel. You're awesome. Yeah, I got some kids. I'm just doing some stuff in the background for future content for you guys. Okay, so I am keeping busy, grinding and learning, coding. I've been working on some first person and third person script, doing my own script, guys. Working with the mouse, trying to get it so that I'm not going to get into the details, but I'm going to be doing some code in the future for you guys. I'll do I got code that's kind of separate for the mouse, and then code for keyboard, I guess, for player movement. Trying to get them to work together instead of having one script do everything. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, but I'm gonna share some script for you guys and gals in the future. So stay tuned for that. Working still kind of with the old, I don't mean to call it old, but the original input system. Unity is great. Unity, shout outs to Unity and Visual Studio. Thank you, you beautiful people, for the generous and kind opportunity to use your open source software, which literally you could probably charge, I don't know, something crazy like $5,000 per person to use. Like, you know, I don't know. That was just a random number, but software is not cheap, and it takes time and people to make, guys and gals. Okay, it doesn't happen magically. You don't twinkle your nose. Tinkle, tinkle, tinkle. Do I have a twinkle nose sound? That'd be good. Let's see. Twinkling nose sound. Is that even a thing? Here we go. Okay. There you go. Should we put that on loop? That's kind of funny, actually. Twinkling your nose sound, guys and gals. Twinkling your nose. Okay? Alright, doesn't happen. Somebody's got to put the time in. The grind. That means sitting in front of your computer and grinding and just drinking coffee. And typing code. Yeah, code can get crazy. You can get up to 500 lines of code. If you really, you know, we're grinding. There's some code, man. Some of the code these guys, great. Yeah. Yeah, it can get pretty wild. Pretty wild. So a lot of channels out there, guys, they give you the basic script. Here you go. Here's the easy code. I want to look like I'm a real coder and give you like the basic simple code, and then I get 500 followers because I type simple code. And that's me being sarcastic, guys. I don't mean to get on that, but oh yeah, jeez. If I get back on track, let's get back on track. Yeah, where was I? See, that's what I do, guys. I'm bad for that. I need to stay focused. That's probably why I don't pay much attention to chat. because yeah, I would just sit and talk to you guys and then just get distracted. Need to make some noise. Coffee. Coffee. And then we're going to get into this, guys. I'm going to try to... I had some thoughts I wanted to kind of explain to you guys. But because I'm going on and on and on, you know, that's what us human beings do. We kind of forget things. All right. There we go. Hey, Larry, what's good? Larry time. It's Larry time. It's Larry time. Okay. Yeah, script. Future script, guys. Stay tuned. Right? That's right. Let's get back on track. Stay tuned, guys. Okay? Been working and grinding and pushing. Just getting into some things. I'll give you guys, you know, little, I don't know, what do you call them? Little teasers or whatever. Stay tuned. I'm getting back into the 3D stuff, guys. I know I was on the 2D for a little bit. Digital software or digital artists, you guys, man, amazing. You guys are amazing. The patience you have to do digital art, like, kudos to you. Okay? Need to make my own digital art, but yeah, I don't know. I'd rather, honestly, because I have ideas, lots of them, and I definitely would hire my own digital artist. I would. I mean, I got to see the work though. It's got to be good. So yeah, and there's actually a few on the internet you can find too, right? There's some pretties really good. So yeah, digital artists, guys. Shout outs to you guys. Same thing with subscribers. Let's do that. Shout outs to subscribers quickly. You beautiful, awesome people supporting the channel. You guys, I appreciate you. I really do. Truly, you guys are all winners, not quitters. Okay, this is for you guys and gals. Yeah, that's right. Every single one of you beautiful, awesome people supporting the channel. Here, Whiskey Tango Coding. It's Janet. Let's go. Okay. Where do we begin? It's time to begin. We're going to make some magic happen, okay? Let's go to... I was kind of in the animator a little bit. That's why you can see that. I just had to do some setting changes, guys. Let's get into this, okay? Appreciate you being here. You're awesome. Let's do this. Okay, so Larry, so I was in the animator. Before I was kind of playing around with these numbers. This is all set up, guys. If you're doing this, again, this is through learnunity.com. Okay, you guys can practice and do this too, all right? I'm giving you like a little bit extra code, a little bit extra advice, support. They did a fine, great job over there too, guys, okay? We're just, you know, kind of adding to it. Really, that's all, okay? Learning and growing, it's awesome. Okay, so yeah, don't change the values in here. Okay, I was playing around with this. These are set, okay? Like this, these values here. Okay, don't touch them. You can change, let's see, what can you change? Okay, nothing really here, but you got parameters, okay? Anything you change here will reflect gameplay, okay? Which is good, right? So let's say you want, so here for example, we'll get into the animation a little bit, and then we're gonna get into the action, Okay, these guys at Unity, they went above and beyond. Excuse me, guys. Above and beyond here with the like, because this is all excuse me. Huh, sheesh. Okay, anyways, let's carry on. So this is all extra, guys, right? When you create and do animations, you really only start off with one here. You only have one. They've added to this. They've got, again, I'm going to try to do this quickly. Head, idols, they've added these. They've given us a whole bunch of animations. Where is the animations? I just literally was looking at it. What up? What is up? What? Right here. Yeah, there it is. It's hiding in there. Okay, a whole bunch of them. There's so many, right? It takes time to create these. You got to make these, okay? I've done a little bit of it myself, right? I know I haven't done any videos or whatever on it. We'll get there one time. I know I need to push out more content, but I'm also got other projects going on that I'm working on for you guys as well for the future. So for the future, okay, so you guys stay tuned, right? Be part of the channel. Support, subscribe, share, love, hugs, kisses. Well, maybe not kisses, but anyways, yeah, all those good things. Stay tuned. We're getting into some stuff now, guys. We're getting into it. Okay, I'll do some videos on creating these and show you guys how to do that. Again, I was in the 2D doing it, working with the 2D stuff, doing some pixel art and such, and creating little animations myself. Okay, so I have done some zizzes. Okay, and then here we go. So these are all that you can drag and drop and add in. Okay, where was that? Oh yeah. Okay, so looking at this, so you can see there's two options of, player. Let's use the term unaliving. Okay, it would be better. Okay, that's what I'm going to use over here. Unaliving. Okay, unaliving. So if you look at your parameters, you can see that you have these options here. Okay, if you look at it, it's all here. This is all set up, guys, for us. Okay, you have to realize this. This isn't just magical. Open up a brand new 3D project and ooh, bimba shaga booga baga, it's all here, oh yay. No, it's not. Okay, somebody did all this work. Okay, you guys are awesome at Unity, man. There's a lot in this starter package. There really is. Okay, so you can see right here, Death Type B, right? This is all stuff you have to set up and do yourself. Right, and you can link it with your code as well. All right, equals 1, right? So if you look here, you look for it, def type int. It's an int, right? An int is a whole number. It's set up for 2. So when it's run, the program's going to run 2, which is this one. Okay, equals 2. That's how that works. Pretty simple stuff, straightforward. I hope it is. Okay, and then crouch, they have animations for crouching. And then look at this one. Man, I haven't got into all these yet. Again, these are for set up for 2.5D character, if you will. Okay, it's all there. So here I've got the initial speed for we're in movement here. Okay, so speed F, 0.58. I mean, if I had it at 0, he's not moving, right? So if I go 0 and I run it, he's not doing anything. Okay? I mean, he is doing the jumping animation, but he's not running or anything, right? He's just standing and jumping. That's all he's doing. Okay? So, Control Z, yeah, boom. Right? So if I run it again, now he should be doing the running, right? Because I gave it a value. That's how you make that magic happen. All right, guys? Right? I gave it a value, and it's based on these. That's why I said don't touch these. Don't change them, okay? They're kind of the, I don't know what's the best. They're the limits, right? The minimum, the maximum values. Okay, right now I'm over 0.58. Static B is set to true. So checking here, this one here, you actually add these. They're called transitions. Okay. I'm gonna set this one as default, because why not? And then I can move these around. I can do whatever I want, as long as they're still linking, right? Entry, that's the beginning, right? Maybe I want it to start at idle, right? It's up to you. You can change it around, do your own thing. Play around with it, right? Just don't go crazy changing values. You can change stuff here. You can set is grounded to false, which you don't really want to, because when you're starting the game, you know that naturally he's going to be grounded, right? And then I kind of left this up. It says don't touch, so they're actually telling us it has to do with blending. One of these animations, I'm not sure which one, but there's a blending in it. We'd have to look at, I don't know if this tells it. Blending. You can see there's a blending. It might say B, I don't know, right? Again, working with animations, lots, there's a bit to learn, right? Getting set up and tweaking and testing things. Okay, I haven't played around with it too much. I just kind of left it basically the way it is. Maybe move things a little bit, but change the values. Going to jump here. You can change this value here, right? So if you go into these actual animations, you can change these values, so it's okay to do that. This is still set at 1. Anything times 1 is 1, that number, right? Okay, and yeah, that's it. And then again, to get things going, to make the animation happen in here, I had to put in a value. All right, I need some more coffee, guys. Excuse me. Okay, I didn't mean to get into talking about animations, but I guess it doesn't hurt to kind of go over things and reflect again. Okay. Particles and sound effects. Okay, so how do you do that? Well, let's do that. I know that's like part of any game, when you're creating a game or making a game, guys, you're going to want, obviously you're going to want animation. The end user is going to get pretty bored if you don't have any animation, so you got to do that. You want some music, you want some sound. You want sound effects, right, guys? Otherwise, what you're creating is going to be great, I'm sure. But without those extra added touches, your game would just have no interest for the end user, right? Hey, Larry, what's up? You still hanging out at 7-Eleven? Man, that's awesome. All right, cool. What's going on at 7-Eleven? What'd you do? Did you get a can of oysters or anything? What's up? Maybe a Slurpee? Slurpee? Slurpee and oysters? Let's go. Well, at least it's not wieners and bologna, I guess. That's awesome. Right on, Larry. Larry's turning it up. Okay. All right. Let's get into this. Larry, we're going to give you some we're going to give you some noises, okay? We're going to get you to make some noises. Time for that. All this stuff. This is fun stuff, guys. It truly is. I wish I was doing this 10 years ago. Well, I'm at least 5 years behind. Kicking myself in the butt, so that's why I'm pushing myself even more. 7 days a week, 14 hours a day. Let's go! Okay, so part of the... What did I just do? Man, I just literally dragged and dropped that somewhere else. You could do that. So part of the starter package, which is the course library, okay? A little practice for you guys. Last video has the link for you guys and gals if you're interested. There's a few projects in there. After this one, there's going to be another challenge project we're going to do, guys, so stay tuned. And eventually we're going to be doing some 3D stuff, guys. Ooh, that's all I'm telling you. Okay, I know we're technically doing 3D stuff now. Technically speaking, I think they call it 2.5D. It's kind of in between, right? But hey, who doesn't love Minecraft characters? I know I do. All right. So we have a sound folder, okay? Has music and it has sound effects. Okay, we could actually click it and probably listen to it over here if you click them, right? Up here in the inspector. There we go. You can play it and listen to it. Oh, isn't that groovy? Oh yeah, that's got the jams. Oh yeah. I'm dancing over here, guys. Hands are up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. Okay, I know, enough of that. Larry's got his hands up in the air. He's T-posing though. Alright, time to go. Time to go! Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the kind of when Larry kind of trips over one of these stone walls. I gotta get used to which way to move and pan and get them down. Controls. Okay, right click. Don't touch the scroll button. It's different software has different ways to move around, so it kind of, especially when you're going from Krita to this. Anyways, okay, let's carry on. So he's gonna trip on this by accident. Also, I want you guys to know you can see some actual lighting in here. So clicking the directional light, which is right there. Okay, your scene should have that. Okay, and I believe that effect is creating that light effect down here as well that you can see. Okay, that's where that's coming from. It's set up, that's position, and these are the angles. That's kind of where it's, when you create a brand new 3D. I'm assuming this is a built-in render package. Actually, I haven't even looked because I didn't bother. I don't think I upgraded. Did I upgrade it? I don't know. Project settings. Here we go. Come on, wake up. Wake up. Oh yeah, the input system. That was the other thing I was kind of talking about, the input system. So the code that I'm doing is I'm working on, initially doing code using the old. I don't want to call it the old input system. I'm calling it the original input system, right? Because now Unity has the new input system. So there's that too. So stay tuned for videos on that as well. I know there's content out there for this sort of thing, guys, but I tried to go a little bit deeper into it for you instead of just slamming out a 2-second video. This is how you do this. This is how you do that. This is how you get into a car. But I don't teach you how to drive the car. You know what I mean? Sure, there's a lot of videos out there that show you how to get into a car, but do they show you how to drive the car? That's what's happening over here. Okay, that's my analogy. All right. Quality. Okay, it wasn't that. Graphics. That's where I want to look. Okay, we are using URP. Okay, so I did set it up. Okay, just so you guys know. Okay, you know, I kind of forget these things, right? Like, I don't go, oh, wow, man, today, I gotta remember this for the future. In Businessman Parkour, I set it up for URP. I'm gonna go to bed now. No, don't care. Just get it done, move on. Okay, plus I got, I don't know, 10 projects going on right now as well. One of them is still with built-in. Okay, but that's there's reasons why I'm doing that. But anyways, that's for the future, for you guys, for the future. Let's do it again. It's for the future. The future. I know that's kind of creepy, but hey, I like doing it. It's fun. All right. Okay, let's... I'm in a good mood today, guys, okay? I could literally just sit here going on and on and on. You know, hopefully making you guys and gals laugh. Hopefully. All right. Back on track. Okay, those are kind of the things that I was supposed to say in the beginning, but then I go on a tangent, and then I forget what I wanted to say, and then now we're remembering it. And as I promised, I would reflect back on it again. And I did. We got it done. Let's go! All right, turn it up. Okay, so we're gonna just do this, okay? We're gonna start here with, where is that? Particles. There it is. That's what I'm looking for. Particles. Okay? Poor Larry's gonna trip on one of these walls eventually. Yeah, I know. It's because his shoelaces got untied. That's why, guys. Okay? It's kind of like, you know, when I'm playing zombies. Right? There's those crawlers. They like untying your shoelaces. That's what they do, guys. If you played enough zombie games, which I have since Black Ops 1, Kino, let's go! Yeah. Them little crawlers, they love untying your shoelaces. They really do. Okay. We're gonna drag and drop this smoke here. Okay, now I'm trying to recall, did I attach it to Larry? Oh, or did I create my own personal game object? Just trying to recall. Larry, were you holding that? I think you were. We're just gonna attach it to here anyways. Okay, boom. Ah, what just happened? Poof. We just had something happen. Okay, look at that. Cool, guys. Okay, I attached it to, this is my parents' game object. You guys and gals need to learn, you know, these little details when you're working with Unity. Unity and Microsoft Visual Studio. Oh, you guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, this is awesome. I'm truly having lots of fun. You have no idea. You have no idea. I'm having so much fun. Okay. Now you can click this. So this is a parent and these are children. Childs. They're childs of this game object. Really, it's just a container. Okay? Don't overanalyze it. Okay? They're Game objects, they're also containers. But they have control. They're their parent, right? The parent is in charge. What the parent says, the children's must do is. Okay? That's how it rolls. That's how it goes. Okay? That's how it goes. Alright, so you have a bunch of properties. You have a little play. You can actually play it. So they have, let's get into this, guys. Okay, I'm excited. I'm not even prepared, but I am excited. Okay, particle. They have a particle system. Like, you know how you have an event system? Unity's awesome. They think of everything. These are all things you guys don't have to do. Imagine having to type the code for all this. Creating your own particle system for your own game. Can you imagine? There's not enough time in the day as it is. You know? That's why it snows. I should be in this mood every day. Should, but it's not always like this. Okay. Particle system? Yeah, particle system. Let's go, Unity. Let's talk about it a little bit. Okay, introduction to the particle system. I'm going to put that, actually, there's a link for that. So, I'll paste that into chat quickly. If I don't have to do any edits on my videos, guys, YouTube won't disable chat. Hey, what's up, President Zaddy? Salute. Salute. Let's go. Appreciate being here. Showing the love. President Zaddy. Salute. Salute. I love it. I love it. Okay, chat. Okay, I wasn't quite finished yet, but let's do this. I gotta get rid of some of this stuff. Okay, salute. Salute at President. Do I have to actually copy that? Actually, imagine if I was on YouTube, which I can't be, otherwise I don't want it playing in the background while I'm streaming. Like, I can mute it, I know that, but I don't want that extra stream. Like, that's information going back and forth. I'm sending information out to the old interweb. I don't want it coming back in too. You know, I know how the old interwebs works is. Okay. Me understand, me not so good at explaining, but I try. Alright. Okay, we'll drop in this. Okay. Come on. Trying to be fast. I could, you know, man. One day, maybe I'll have my own mod. Oh, again, clicking the wrong one again. Haha, I still have WordPad. Joke's on you, Microsoft. Sorry. Thank you for the use of Visual Studio, Microsoft. 100% appreciate that. Alright. Oh, look at that. That's working. I promised you guys that I would do that. My Stream Elements is awake. Yay! It's working, guys. It's working. Turn it up. Sometimes you have to drop stuff in chat to make that happen. Just kind of wake it up. Alright, there. So now the other thing I'm going to do, okay, I know I need to speed things up, guys. The great thing about YouTube when it's not live, you can skip forward. It's amazing. It's so amazing. Hopefully you're staying here to still watch. Let's go! Hey, if you leave, that's your own fault. You're going to be missing out. You're going to be missing out. Okay. Chat. Here we go. Chat. Particle system. Okay, some information. I'll make sure that I also have this for you guys and gals in comments. Okay, there. All right. Okay, going back. So, and then scripting. Okay, let's give you this link as well. Okay. I am the mod, so I can put in my own links. Yes, I can. Because it's my channel. That's why. I mean, if you have your own channel, you can post your own links too. Okay, there. Okay, good. So there you go, guys. A little bit of information. I didn't, I probably should have talked about it a little bit, but there's a how-to. Which one? Introduction. What does the particle system do? Here we go. The particle system in Unity is a robust particle effect system where you can simulate moving liquids, smoke, clouds, flames, magic spells, and a whole slew of other effects. Oh, that's amazing. That's so amazing. The system makes it possible to represent effects that are normally difficult to portray, right? Good luck doing that yourself if you want to make your own. It's already there for us, guys. Might as well take full advantage of it. Again, full teams of people creating this stuff, where if you're doing it yourself, like myself, guys, there's not enough days in life. There's just not enough, That's why we're working over here 7 days a week, 14 hours a day, living off Bologna&Weiners. It's amazing. I know, I love it. I love it. Well, eggs sometimes. Eggs are good. Okay. Okay. I'm going to do more videos, guys. Okay, stay tuned. You're going to love it. Okay. The system makes it possible to represent effects that are normally difficult to portray using meshes or sprites. Again, I still haven't even created my own little 3D objects and stuff, which I want to. Man, yeah. Can we turn back time? Okay, since they often represent effects that are fluid and intangible in nature. The particle system is very robust, in-depth system. I'm trying to speak. I'm not the best speaker, guys, but I try. Okay, in-depth system in Unity and could cover many pages worth of explanations for every module it contains and what each module is capable of doing on its own. I actually haven't even gone through this module, and that's something I'm going to do. Okay, this is part of Unity, learn.unity.com. You guys, they have a lot of good stuff here for you to learn off of. Okay, I recommend, try it out, check it out. That's how you learn and grow. Learning is feeding your mind. Again, you're learning knowledgeable stuff, guys. Okay, you're not wasting your life on stupid soap opera drama and dramaticness. Okay, and make your own drama inside of a video game. Okay, stop clicking all those, I don't know, what do they call them? Like, they got the clickbait titles and all that stuff. Man, you're just being a sucker. Clicking that stuff. No offense, guys. Love you. Not talking about you beautiful, intelligent people that are watching my channel and my videos. And you subscribers. No way. Yeah, I would never say anything bad about you guys. You guys are all awesome. I love you guys. Truly are. Let's go! Don't worry, guys. I'm just high on coffee. That's it. Okay, drug-free, alcohol-free over here. No drinky, no druggies. None whatsoever. Stay off drugs, kids. Okay? Alright. Man, I'm really on a tangent. Okay, so we've done that. I'm gonna attach it as a child to our game object. Even our player is a child technically of our game object. Okay, and again, take notes, guys, because you can get these null reference errors, and I've kind of figured it out over here on WhiskeyTango coding, because I like to break things, and I learn off by breaking. That's the only way you're going to get better. I don't use ChatGPT. Oh, hey, ChatGPT, please tell me how to type sys.runprogram.exe. I need an AI to tell me how to do stuff because I don't know how to think for myself. Sorry guys, just ignore me, please. Just ignore me. Okay. So you can't get null reference errors. Again, if you've been watching the series, I get into that and talk about that. And this is why my script is attached, okay, to my player. You can have that, the connection, you kind of get a disconnect. Right? I don't know. That's the best way I can explain it. There's a bit of a disconnect between, because the parent is in charge of the children, right? It's a parent-child, what's the word? This is stuff you go through IT networking when you're talking about parent and children, and yeah. That stuff I wanted to forget, okay, because it's very boring for me. I learned it though, you know, I don't mind learning stuff that's boring, but dependencies, I guess the words, right? Kind of let's see, access to information. The child has because the parent, whatever the parent properties are, I don't know how to say this, but whatever properties the parent holds, the children will have, right? The children don't have access to certain information unless the parent kind of says, hey, you can have access. It's kind of like that, guys, all right? Simplifying it. Again, I don't want to get into my IT lingo and stuff. Yeah, no. We're talking about this. This is way more fun and exciting. Okay. So again, yeah. Rigid bodies attached. That's the other thing. Yeah. Man, guys, I've been doing so much, right? There's also the character controller. I've been working on the character controller. As you can see, we have attached a rigid body. When you attach a rigid body to a player or player character, basically that's the link to the physics engine for Unity. With character controllers, you don't have that link. Okay, you actually have to create your own gravitational system. But there's pros and cons between using both. But hey, stay tuned, right? We're going to be doing code on that. On the character controller code, okay? I don't think there's enough out there in YouTube lands, okay? Again, a lot of channels showing you how to get into a vehicle, but not really explaining how to use that vehicle, you know? But hey, somehow they magically managed to get 100,000 followers. I don't know how they do it. It's all like a magic trick show, guys. You guys are being, not you guys that are watching, but those others, they're being magic tricked, right? They're getting like hands thrown in the front of their eyes, and they're being like, ooh, it's over here. No, it's over there. And then, hey, they go, oh, you want me to click here? Not talking about you guys, because you guys came here. You actually came to the right channel. It must be fun stream day. Did we get any work done today, Larry? Larry, did we get any work done? Not really. I need more coffee. Okay, so we can actually play. So the particle event system. I gotta get back on track. I know I do, guys. Okay, you can actually play and pause, and stop, play, stop, play it again, stop. So a little player here, which is nice. And also properties. So there's gonna be, so I'm actually clicking the effect itself, right? Particle effect is part of the particle system, right? Not static either. Neato. Okay. Wow! Just by clicking it makes the magic happen. So you can actually change some. There's a lot here. Woo! Good information. So you can play around. You can even change the color and stuff. If you guys checked out my Krita videos, you could do your own color scheme in that. So if you have your own, like myself, I have my own set of colors and RGB codes or hexadecimal values. I just copy and paste my hex values because I kind of have all that. I spent days, hours and hours and days creating my own color scheme system. Yeah. For $10.95, I'll share that information. Time is money, guys. Time is money. Okay? And I need some more bolognas and wieners. Hilarious. Okay, so yeah, look at all this stuff. Okay? These are all on and off events. Okay? On, off, on, off, 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 on, zeros and ones, on and off. Okay? So there you have that. So you can make changes, try little things, tweak, don't mess around with it too much. Remember what you changed, okay guys? Alright? Right? You can change the amount of particle effects. Yeah, just whatever you want, right? Boom! Ah! Now creating the actual thing itself, now that's something else entirely, right? How do you create this? Where does it come from, right? Stay tuned. We'll have to find that out, won't we? All right, so it's dragged as a child. Okay, that's done. We're playing the collision. That's done. Okay, so let's play it. Okay, so what we need is code time, guys. It's code time. It's code time. All right, let's get into this. Code, where are you, code? Here you are. Just gonna click any random one just to open up Visual Studio. Thank you, Microsoft. Okay, you're not a fan fave of everybody, but hey, over here I love and appreciate you, I guess, you guys and galses, for the fantastic opportunity to be able to use Visual Studio 2022. Let's go! Don't forget Unity. They're in there too. Let's go! Okay. Sorry, I need more coffee. Almost out of coffee. I need a bigger, taller glass, I think, and taller cup. Something around 3 feet. Do they make 3-foot tall cups? I don't know. Might need one. Whew! Coffee is good today, I'm telling you. Okay. Player controller script. Let's do this. Okay. Man, I don't know. I'm in a good mood, but I'm not really focused. I'm not focused at all today, guys. Appreciate your patience and understanding. I hope you're having a good day and you're enjoying the video so far. Okay, what do we got to do? We need a public particle system. We need to actually call the event, essentially, and we need requires something for the. Okay, let's just type code. Okay. Oh yeah, I've done some updating here with this. Okay. Oh yeah. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try to speed up the typing here because I've got my code backed up here. Okay, I've already typed this alls out. Okay, ba 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 ba. Let's see. We're gonna just do this because I'm being lazy. Okay, and I avoid typos as well. Let's see that. Okay, music. What's up? Okay, I'm just gonna start you again. There's like a period in the music there where it's like really quiet, and I think it's off. Sometimes in YouTube, you guys, you'll get this. Are you still watching? I put you on loop. Why are you asking me that? Just play. That's all I ask. I don't need you to ask me if I'm still watching. God, why are you asking me that? I just want you to play. That's why. So I can walk away from my computer, go make coffee, and not have to worry about it shutting off. Bloody heck. Okay. Man, it's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day above the ground. Oh, yeah. Okay, I changed this as well. Just updating my headers a little bit for you guys. You can use my headers if you want to. It's fine. We're gonna need that. I added in a space. Just kind of looking at my code, but going back and forth here. Okay, I've added also. Okay, so that's there. Da 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 da. Yeah, I don't know why. Did I remove that for some reason? I don't know why I did. But that's okay. We're not going to add it in. Let's add in a space here. In case you guys don't know what that's, what's up with that, right? So, like, I just saved it. Okay, I'll just show you little details. Okay, so let's go to a player. So anytime I kind of update my script, and I could add spaces, you could actually have more than one. Hold up. Goodness gracious, selling on Sundays. Okay, code. Oh, I got so much code backed up, it's insane. Just looking for something here. Right there. Here's another way. You can have more than one space. And right, just like a method, that's what it was. Yeah, and then you just type in a value, right? Create space. So what it does, guys, is between anything that's public, right? If you guys know and understand, you've been following. Okay, these are all details I know. I should probably explain, but you type in space or the 5 like I just did, and it creates space between your text. Just creates gaps. Okay, is game over here is off, so right, because this is public, it's showing right here, right? Okay, awesome sauce. Hopefully that makes sense. Pretty easy, right? Straightforward, guys. Okay, there. Now, what is up with this? Why do I have all this here? What was I doing? Did I need that information? No. I think I could just delete it. Or just looking at my code. Right, because he's not... This isn't code for... let's just remove that entirely. This isn't a running, moving player. He's just a player that's standing in a position and going nowhere. Really, all we're doing is jumping up and down. That's it. Okay, so under vital component controls, what? Oh, where is that? Okay, there we go. I need to go like this. because I need to get organized here. My code a little bit. There we go. Okay. And then we're just going to add another one here. Okay, I'm just going to copy and paste it, guys, quickly here. Okay. And here. I got to do this so that I can kind of look back and forth. Okay, there we go. We're just creating headers. Headers. So I saved it. If I go in here, I'm going to have headers here. This is a header right here. Okay. If you see when I'm clicking here, you can see the little arrows. I could actually adjust this value right here just by clicking, left clicking. Okay, and then I have my gravity modifier. Okay, so essentially the headers are the titles. Now they're only going to show if you're actually, like, this is all private, right? So that's why they're not showing. If these were public, there's another way of doing it. That's what the serialized field does. Okay, just to show you. Okay, we'll kind of go over the what's up sort of thing here. We're going over the what's up, right? With the in regards to field references and headers and such. Okay, so did I save that? Yeah. Okay, see, look, right? Now I can have these displayed or not. It's up to me, right? Now if something's private, you have to serialize field it. Okay. All right. Again, I'm showing you guys how to drive the car, right? Versus, here's the code. Just type the code. You don't need to understand the code. Just type the code like an NPC. Okay. There we go. I'm a coder. Yay, because I typed code that somebody else showed me how to do, but I don't understand what it does. But I'm a coder. Okay. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. Serialized field. Let's do this. I'm going to do another video for you guys. I know this one's a little bit stretched. Okay, so we're gaining access to the particle system that's built in with Unity. Okay, guys? It must be... Now I'm going to hit enter. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, what does it tell us? It tells us this is part of Unity Engine. Okay, the fine people over at Unity created this system for us, creators. Making life easier for us, guys. It really is. Otherwise, you're going to have to do all this yourself. Do you want to? Really? Do you want to? I know I don't. I'm glad it's here, and I appreciate it. Okay, so I'm going to tab, because I'm going to go with the default name that Visual Studio is recommending. It's kind of, you know, it gets an understanding of how I'm typing my code, so it's consistent with kind of suggesting variable names for me. Again, I'm going to change it, but I just wanted to go over this. Okay, the particle system is a class. Okay, it's obviously part of Unity Engine. Okay, script interface for the built-in. Look at that. I used a word that I already knew that was something. I said built-in. Hey, I knew it. It's built-in. Okay, built-in particle system. That's awesome. Unity's powerful and versatile particle system implementation. Making life easier over here for us guys and gals. Okay, we're gonna call this explosion. Explosion. There. Okay. There we go. So now what we need to do is play it, right? That's the next thing. Okay, so we needed a variable. That's why we typed this. We're gaining access to this class. We needed a variable name, so that I look at it like an object, and you need an object to make the magic happen. Okay, again, if you learn C++ and you learn about classes, and you get into learning about inheritance, right? Essentially that's what this is. And you learn about objects and use the objects to make the magic happen in the int main. Oh, it's a wonderful thing. Console applications I'm talking about, guys. All right. Let's see. Now, man, I'm really, you know, you ever have those days where you feel like you're like in a soap opera and your eyes are all kind of cloudy? You know that soap opera effect? It's kind of like a cloud effect around your eyeballs. I don't know how to explain it, but that's kind of the day I'm in. Should I be streaming today, guys? Let me know. Maybe I shouldn't be. Okay. Again, that's the great thing about YouTube. You can skip forward to the good parts. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's make the magic happen. So to make the magic happen, we need this. All right, I'm gonna be lazy. I'm just gonna copy it. We need to. The explosion essentially is gonna happen when poor Larry trips over the stone wall with his shoelaces. Okay. Now, that's going to happen kind of at the end, right? That's the obstacle. Let's update here. Again, this is an obstacle. Yeah, it's tagged, right? We're using tags here, not layers. Okay, that's something else entirely too, which is another system we got on videos that we need to do and talk about. Okay, I'll try to keep this train going, guys. I'm gonna really try. Okay, so when poor Larry collides with the obstacle, we want to make some magic happen. Okay, so let's just do this. Okay, I'm gonna go like this, create some space, Control V. Okay, there we go. There's my object, variable acting as an object, dot separator. Always the dot separator if you want access to getters, setters, functions, methods. Clear. We want Larry to clear? No, we don't want Larry to clear. Again, anything that's purple is a method, guys. So we want to play it. That's what we want to do. And that's pretty awesome. Play. Man, making life easy over here, guys. You're making life easy, okay? The other thing you want to make sure you do, good thing I got this already so I don't have to type it. Because I go on and on and on, guys. Copying and pasting is probably good because if I just sit here typing all this, then, you know, it's a half an hour later. I'm just kidding. That's just jokes. Anyway, so I'm calling them, over here I'm calling them hard link references. Okay, guys? Drag and drop our hard link reference, and the reference is the explosion smoke, right? Okay, I'm going to make sure I'm saved, right? Code's not dirty. Let's go. Go here. So if I click player, if we look right here, okay? So kind of think of that in, if you want to call it some sort of terminology, call them hard links. It's a hard link. Okay? We need our hard link. Okay, so in our code, of course, you know, it's inside our game object here. It's like, you would probably think to yourself, well, it's inside the container. Why do I need to tell it what to do? Well, I don't know. We're just connecting the dots here, guys and gals. Okay, don't overthink, but drag and drop your hard link. Okay, right into here. So from here to here. There we go. Boom. Done. Drop in the A's. I know that wasn't too exciting. It took a long time to get to this point, but let's go. All right. Okay, again, remember, this is the end of the game explosion, guys. Let's see what happens. Oh, let's go. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. What are we at for time here? I honestly mean, we're over an hour and 12. Tech Dave. There is a character. Yes, there is, Dave. There is. Appreciate you being here, Dave. You're awesome. I'm going to end the stream. I know I went on. This is kind of a bit of a fun stream. Okay, you guys, you know. good spirits, right? I'm having fun. We're gonna do more, but yes, Dave, there is a character controller component, and man, you will rack your brain. Okay, so take note. I'll just give you a little bit of a heads up, my friend. With the player, right? We've attached a rigid body. All rigid bodies are connected. I'll just try to keep this basic. I'm not saying you're not smart. I know you're intelligent. Just trying to keep it, simplified. So the rigid body is connected with the built-in, I gotta get my words out now, the built-in physics engine. Okay, so it has effect with gravity. As soon as you attach a rigid body, right, an object is affected by the Unity's physics engine. But with the character controllers, it doesn't have that. You actually have to create your own. So stay tuned for videos on that. That's what I've been doing the last week or so, bro. Yeah. Well, I've been doing my own third person and first person shooter, I guess. Player controller code. That's what I've been doing. And I've been kind of going. Well, I started off doing the code with the Unity's original input system, right? Hopefully you understand what I'm talking about. There's two systems, okay? There's a new system now, okay? A new input system, all right? Which we're going to get into. This is the original, okay? When you're actually using these values here, when you see code with this, that's part of the original or old system. There's a new system now. Okay, and it's really not that bad. A lot of people find it difficult to understand and that. But I'm going to do future videos for you guys. I know I need to do more. And Tech Dave, thank you for giving me a little bit of a nudge to get. You're the reason I'm doing this stream today. Amongst also the subscribers and the viewers as well. That last video had a few videos, which was great. I was happy about that. Yeah, and the new input system, correct. It's really not that bad. Right now I'm basically the code I'm working with is the, let's see, let me just find the line. Right here, this line right here. If you see this, that's the old input system, okay? When you start doing coding with the new input system, you might rack your brain a little bit. You might be pulling your hair some. Okay, the old input system is still a great system. It really truly is. But let's say as a creator like yourself or anybody that's watching and that wants to create their own content or game, they may want to get used to typing code with the new input system, right? They're not the same. I'm telling you right now, it's not the same. The code is not the same, and it's very particular about what you put in there. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do future videos. Again, I'm gonna show you guys how to drive the car. I'm gonna do my best to explain things. I know today I'm having a silly day. I will get focused. When I do get focused, I do get work done and try to get into serious mode a little bit. But yeah, I don't know. Stay tuned for that. The input system for the new one, right? Going back to character controllers, you have to actually have to create gravity in a sense using a character controller. But the plus side with the character controller, it actually can climb objects. So for stairs, slopes, okay, that's why I use the character controller, right? I don't want to get my information incorrect, but you really can't climb anything with a rigid body. Okay, character controller, and again, you can't use you can only use one or the other. Okay, I'm just gonna type it right here. Char, right? Character controller. You can't use them both. Okay, the program will get it conflicts with each other. They both kind of do the same job but slightly different. One does a job a certain way and the other one does its job in a certain way. You can't use them both. It's either A or B, one or the other. Okay, so just as a heads up, I will talk about that in the future. I know I didn't get a lot done today, guys. I'm going to do another stream. I promise. I am. I need a half an hour. Again, if you're watching this when I'm not live, it's been more than a half an hour. But hey, I need more coffee. Quick washroom break. It's been a fun stream. And yeah, hopefully when I come back, I'll be in a little bit more serious mode. Tech Day, appreciate you. Quick shout outs to this is awesome. My stream elements is popping today. President Zaddy, salute. Thank you for also dropping in. I'll make sure I have the links and stuff and comments for you guys as well. Stay tuned. Next video we're gonna do more, guys. We're gonna get into this is, I guess you could call part 1. And part 2, we're going to get into doing more sound, particle effects, music, sound effects, and yeah, music. Right? We're going to get into some. So stay tuned, guys. This is all good, fun stuff. Look forward to it. I'll see you guys and gals in the next video. Whoever you are, wherever you are, appreciate you and for watching and listening and being awesome. Again. Look in the mirror. Say to yourself, I am awesome. That's right, you are. Let's go. This is Johnny with WhiskeyTango Coding. For now, I'm saying peace out, guys. We'll see you guys next video. Take care. Peace.
Maybe I don't understand this.